से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सोना सोना है।
संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम
जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सोना सोना है।
संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते।
Good morning, everybody. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I also take this opportunity to welcome our GMCIC madam and all the HODs who have come here to be part of this flag hoisting in our colony. On behalf of the members of this colony, and the committee members, I welcome you wholeheartedly. Now I ask our security to give the God of honor.
हमारे साथ मिलके जनानी मनगणना शुरू। सेलेक्ट।
Now I request our GMCIC to kindly address.
भारतीय विमानपत्तन प्राधिकरण के कर्मचारी, अधिकारी और उनके परिवार के जन, आप सबों को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जैसा कि विदित है, पिछले वर्ष से अभी तक हम लोग जिस पैंडेमिक से गुजर रहे हैं, उससे अभी तक हम लोग पूरी तरह से उबर नहीं पाए और इसमें हमें काफ़ी कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ा है और हम में से कुछ अपने निकट संबंधियों को भी खोया। फिर भी हमने हिम्मत नहीं हारी और उत्तरोत्तर आगे बढ़ते रहे। जैसा कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा, इसका मूल मंत्र और इससे ऊपर उठने का एक और एकमात्र जो संकल्प है वो है आत्मनिर्भरता का और आत्मनिर्भर। हम लोग अपने कार्यों के अलावा बहुत कुछ करने में सक्षम हैं और करते भी। मैं आप सबसे यही अपेक्षा करूंगा कि आने वाले समय में आप लोग यथेष्ट अपना समय और ध्यान इस देश को, अपने समाज को, अपने परिजनों को आगे बढ़ाने में लगा। देश हित सर्वोपरि है, ये मैं बार बार। हमें अधिकार और कर्तव्य दोनों में एक सामंजस्य बनाना पड़ेगा और कर्तव्यों के प्रति भी निराशा और उस तरह से उसको आगे लेके चलना पड़ेगा। अधिकार अपने आप के पीछे नहीं जाना। आज इस गणतंत्र दिवस के अवसर पर हमारे एचएएस कॉलेज के जो कल्याण में जो है उसकी संस्था ने कुछ सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम का भी आयोजन किया, जिसमें हमारे बच्चे और उनके परिजन उसमें हिस्सा लेंगे, उनकी हिस्सेदारी होगी। ये एक छोटी सी पहल है हम लोग सबकी तरफ से कि अपने ही लोगों को उत्साहित करें आगे आने के लिए। कला का मंच भी एक बहुत सुंदर और प्रतिष्ठित मंच है। अगर हमारे बच्चे, हमारे परिजन उसमें अच्छा करते हैं तो हमें अत्यधिक खुशी होगी। इन शब्दों के साथ मैं आग्रह करूँगा कि आप लोग सब इकट्ठा होकर एक साथ एक मन जो हम लोगों ने शुरुआत की पहल की उसको आगे बढ़ाएं। आप लोगों का कोशिश। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद। जय हिंद। जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, sir. When you are leading from the front and with such a motivational speech, I think this year and every year when we look up to this year, this Republic Day, we always remember this. Thanks for taking a time out and being with us, sir. Thank you very much. And I now ask Sai Dheeraj to come and give his small speech.
Very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Dheeraj and I am from 8th standard. Today we are here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day. Let you know something about this special occasion. After attaining independence from the British rule in 1947, India was not a self-ruled country, means a sovereign state. India became a self-governing country when its constitution came into effect in 1950. Though our country got independence on 15th August 1947, it took some time, 2.5 years to be precise, for our constitution to come into effect. We celebrate it every year as 26th of January as our constitution came into effect on the same day. From then we started the tradition of celebrating 26th January as Republic Day or Ganatantra Divas, which is called in Hindi Republic. As we all know, Republic means the supreme power of people living in a country, and the only public has the right to elect their representatives as their political leaders. Constitution. The Constitution is an aggregate of fundamental principles or established precedents that constitute the legal basis of government, organization or other type of entity, and commonly how that entity is to be governed. In simple words, Constitution means a set of rules created by the government which is to be followed. It is written by a very great person called Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I quote, Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. I hope. Written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now, how do we celebrate Republic Day? In Delhi, in Rajpath, which is in New Delhi, the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force perform a parade, which is very good, which is really good. The parade showcases India's defense capability, cultural and social heritage. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort, which is in New Delhi. As we know, the father of the Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and the mother of Indian Constitution is Madam Bhikhaji Asim Kama. The message of this day is solidarity, equality, and harmony. I would like to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now you understood this colony has got a national integrated culture itself. We have people from all over the country who are there, and I also would like to say that as colorful as this rangoli done by Mohana and her team, and as fragrant as these flowers are done by Sumesh, Maheshwaran, and I'm not other people in that team. This Republic Day lets its fragrance smell and give it good fragrance. I request everybody to come and occupy the seats there, and slight refreshments is arranged, followed by the cultural programs, and then we are going to have sports and prize distribution, followed by lunch. So I request everybody to be with us, stay till the end. Thank you. Please.
Before starting any function, it is our tradition to invoke the blessings of the Almighty. So, I request Mrs. Nirmala, Mrs. Mohana, and Mr. Sunil Kolamakal to join me in rendering the prayer song, Humko Man Ki Shakti Dena. Thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Nirmala and Mohana and Mr. Sunil. Now it's my privilege to introduce Srimati Hiramani Kumari, fondly known as Rani Madam, President of Kalyanamai Bangalore Unit. Some of us had met Madam on January 15th at Bayal. We discussed about celebrating Republic Day, Women's Day, and conducting some charitable works. In a short but sweet association, I was able to get a positive vibe from her, as well as from Subhash sir, our GMCIC, who is the president of Residential Welfare Association by default. Because of their interest that we are celebrating the Republic Day 2021 in this manner, let us give them a big clap. Mrs. Hiramani Madam and Subhash sir are from Patna. They have been to many places in India due to the inevitable transfers in ATC such as Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Allahabad, etc. So, Madam said the Kalyanamai is active in those places, so we should be active in Bangalore as well. May I request Mrs. Mohana, Secretary, the new Secretary selected, to hand over a floral bouquet to Madam and welcome her to the stage, please. Thank you. Welcome, Madam. Here, the main reason for the inactiveness is because of the coordination problem between the 3-4 places, namely Colony, Gagan, Bayal and HAL. So, I hope Madam's presence will be positive and a positive vibe yet for coordinating things. A small brief of Kalyanamai. In the beginning, that is 1/4/1995, Airport Authority came into being. Along with that, even the Vigilance Wing also came into being. And part of these two, Kalyanamai has formed. In the beginning, like 2002 to 2003, we had enrolled only 117 members by collecting an amount of rupees 1,500 as lifetime membership and rupees 200 as annual subscription. Now we have nearly 280 members who are lady officials and wife of male officials. All are by default members and no membership fee is collected from anyone now. Earlier, under the leadership of Srimati Jija Hari Singh, the then Chief Vigilance Officer, and Srimati Shashi Rao, the then Vice President of Kalyanamai, who is the wife of REDSR, carried out various programs like talks from Faculty of Art of Living, and we had conducted painting competitions, singing, speech competitions as part of Vigilance Awareness Week by Kalyanamai for all schools in Bangalore. In 2017 to 19, we had conducted free cervical screening camps, 8 cervical screening camps at Tumkur and Hosur. So Kalyanamai is not dead completely, it is active and we need to be more active. I hope Madam's presence will give a push to that. Hiramani Madam. Madam Rajeshwari Madam and Manjula Madam, please accompany Madam on the stage, please. we fondly call Rani Madam, and she likes to be called that way, is also interested in conducting charitable works in future at Bangalore with the consent of RHQ or CHQ, since the fund has to be utilized from the Kalyanamai account only with the CHQ approval. We can only forward proposals. As of now, we have 2 lakhs as FD and 40,000 in the savings account. I would not like to take much of your time, as we are all eagerly waiting to hear from Rani Madam.
नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग। जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, आज गणतंत्र दिवस हम लोग मना रहे हैं। 71वां गणतंत्र दिवस है। जैसे कि आज कल्याण यही का फंक्शन, एक छोटा सा फंक्शन हो रहा है। आज
ठीक है, Madam wants to meet each one of you. All the ladies, if you come onto the stage, we can just have a photo shoot. Please, all the ladies, please come onto the stage. Thank you. Please come fast. Quickly, so we can start the cultural program immediately. The first program will be a dance by Bhadra and Shweta. Please remove your mask. I'm sorry to announce this, but we have to see your faces, no? So you can stand behind. Please stand behind. There's a small announcement. This program is being live streamed through Kulamakal Audio Vision. It's already, link is being shared, so you can view the live stream now or later on in the YouTube. Thank you. Sri Nitya and Hanisha performing first a small dance. Please encourage them.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीन तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है राज। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊं गुल बन के, मैं खिल जाऊं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं, तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं, इतनी सी है दिल की
Shri Srinivya and Hanisha. Next we have Akshaya, daughter of Suryanarayan Sir, DGM HR, singing a song.
जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। हिंदुस्तान नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी, शान से कहेंगे हम, सब हेतु भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
Thank you, Akshaya. So next we have Bhadra and Shweta, daughter of Mahesh.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने। मेरा जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा, हवा में होके मलंग। जग की कोई
അടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ, അടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ. On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the body baby, pattu lengi podi. On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the body baby, pattu lengi podi.
Wasn't that lovely? Well, let's give them another round of applause, please. Now, may I request Mr. Bhupender, AMATC.
आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय एवं उनकी धर्मपत्नी एवं अन्य आदरणीय अधिकारीगण, कॉलोनी के मेरे साथीगण और कॉलोनी के नन्हे मुन्ने, आप सभी के समक्ष मैं एक फिल्मी संगीत प्रस्तुत करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं। हालांकि मेरा कंठ मेरा साथ नहीं दे रहा है, लेकिन मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि मेरा हौसला और आप मेरे साथ जरूर होंगे। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती। मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती। बैलों के गले में जब घुंघरू जीवन का राग सुनाते हैं, जीवन का राग सुनाते हैं, तुमको से दूर हो जाते हैं, खुशियों की कमल मुस्कुराते हैं, खुशियों की कमल मुस्कुराते हैं। सुन के रहट की आवाजें, सुन के रहट की आवाजें, यूं लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे, यूं लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे। आते ही मस्त बहारों के दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत सजे, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती। जब चलते हैं हल इस धरती पे, ममता अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती है, ममता अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती है। जब चलते हैं हल इस धरती पे, ममता अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती है। क्यों ना पूछे उस माटी को जो चमन के फूलियां मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती
धन्यवाद भूपेंद्र जी. Next, we have two boys on the stage. They are dancing to a Telugu song. May I request Manju Vardhan and Dheeraj. They are sons of Chandra Raju and Subramaniam Finance. It was a short but sweet. We would like to watch more actually, but it is finished very fast. Next, may I request Surya Narayan sir, our DGM HR, who is very active and he wants to have more and more programs, trekking, everything. So very energetic person. Let's listen to him sing.
Greetings to all, my dear children, my colleagues, GMCAC, Mrs. and HODs. It's a great pleasure to be with you on this wonderful morning and to celebrate this greatest Republic Day. Now I go for a Tamil song. Of course, many may not be able to do understand this well. Still, this is a patriotic song sung by Subramania Bharati, the great Kavi, pre-independence, post-independence. He has motivated the entire community towards obtaining our great independence. Because of those people only we celebrate our Independence Day with a great joy.
கங்கலோ கற்பதுவே கேட்பதுவே
ஈங்களெல்லாம் அற்பமாயிகளோ உங்கள் ஆழ்ந்த பொருளிலையோ அற்பமாயிகளோ உங்கள் ஆழ்ந்த பொருளிலையோ இந்த ஞானமும் பொய்தானோ நிற்பதுவே நடப்பதுவே பறப்பதுவே நிற்பதுவே நடப்பதுவே பறப்பதுவே நீங்களெல்லாம் சொற்பனம் தானோ பல தோற்றமயக்கங்களோ சொற்பனம் தானோ பல தோற்றமயக்கங்களோ பொய்களோ அந்த குணங்களும் பொய்களோ காலம் என்றே ஒரு நினைவும் காட்சி என்றே பல நினைவும் கோலமும் பொய்களோ அந்த குணங்களும் பொய்களோ காண்பதெல்லாம் மறையும் என்றார் மறைவதெல்லாம் காண்பதுண்டோ நானும் ஓர் கனவோ இந்த ஞானமும் பொய்தானோ நிற்பதுவே நடப்பதுவே பறப்பதுவே நிற்பதுவே நடப்பதுவே பறப்பதுவே நீங்களெல்லாம் சொற்பனம் தானோ பல தோற்றமயக்கங்களோ சொற்பனம் தானோ பல தோற்றமயக்கங்களோ கற்பதுவே கேட்பதுவே கருதுவரே நீங்களெல்லாம் அற்பமாயிகளோ உங்கள் ஆழ்ந்த பொருள் இல்லையோ அற்பமாயிகளோ உங்கள் ஆழ்ந்த பொருள் இல்லையோ. தேங்க்யூ.
Next we have a TikTok girl. She is none other than the second daughter of Shivmurthy, Senior Superintendent HR. She'll be dancing, Miss Arundhati. Please give her a big clap, please. Yes.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬತ್ತವರು ಇವರ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬತ್ತವನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ಕಾಲ್ ಕೊಡಲಿರುವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ
Karamu, Baso Karamu,
Wonderful. So much of energy. Thank you for such a wonderful dance. I hope you all liked it. Please give a bigger round of applause. Thank you. Next, our children have been getting ready backstage for the next. It's a mashup patriotic dance.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा जूता है जापानी, हिंदुस्तानी सकेला टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, पतलू हिंदुस्तानी सकेला टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
हर कदम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए।
आजा आजा जिंदगी शामियान के तले, आजा गली वाले नीले आसमान के तले। चकले चक दे इंडिया, चकले चक दे इंडिया। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम बड़े शीतलाम सष्ट श्यामला मातरम। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे। मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे। मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, रंग दे रंग दे। तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, वंदे आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला।
ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Salute to the choreographer. Thank you.
Children, please come back to the stage. Let us welcome Ramya in our midst, who is the main choreographer of this mashup. She is the daughter of Mrs. Mohana, Secretary of Kalyanamai. Like some of you may know, that she, along with few other children, were invited to Delhi for the annual day celebration of AAI Foundation Day. And the then airport director, BP Bhagat sir, arranged air tickets for these children to perform at Delhi and return. Isn't it great? She has also taught many of our children in this colony for the Republic Day celebrations and other celebrations whenever she was here. She is a great asset to our AAI family. At present, she is teaching in a school and also taking dance classes near her house. The dance mashup was coordinated within a span of 6 hours, I think, in just 3 days practice in a total, which requires a hell lot of patience and endurance, which we have seen. The children also cooperated and were very enthusiastic. Let's give a big clap, a big round of applause to her work and to our children. Thank you. May I request our Madam President to please honor her with a small gift. Please. I welcome Madam. Ramya, please come. Come onto the stage, please. Thank you. Madam, I request to hand over a small token of small gift to our children also. All of you, you also please come. Children, yeah, Kaushik, you also come. You are going to perform, never mind. Please, take a gift. And Batra, Anisha, all of you, Sriditya, please come onto the stage. Take a small gift from Madam. Yes, brother, please. All children who have performed, don't go behind, you are having a small gift. Thank you.
Behalf of all the parents whose children have performed, I take this opportunity, and it was very last minute thought, and we would want to felicitate Ramya, whatever you have done. Thank you very much. I felt dancing is so easy when children are doing it. I would like to learn 2 steps from you. Thank you very much. We would want to felicitate you for the work what you have done. It is nothing big, but in our small way, you have made our day today sweet. So we thought we will make your day sweet with a small cake. Thanks to my wife who made it very in the last instance. But yeah, on behalf of all the parents who are there, we would like to felicitate you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank all the parents and guardian of the children over here. That terrific performance by them. And overwhelming thing for me was that I didn't find any of them having stage fear or some sort of shyness on the performance. Believe me, if I would have been asked to perform at their age, perhaps I could have chosen to run away from there instead of performing. So all the credit goes to you parents who have inculcated the confidence and instilled the confidence in your young ones. And today what we are seeing, tomorrow it will be a much better performance. That's what I believe. And believe me, when we will be meeting next time, certainly it will be bigger and much more variation and variance. Certainly we will have. We will have a better organized function at this colony itself. At this moment, I would like to thank all my HODs, right from Mr. Indi to Surya Narayan to Rabindran, Vishnu Sarup, Mr. Rao and all of you colony residents who has taken the pain, and simply out of this world was from him to organize such a choreograph, with all the old and young ones. It's a fusion sort of thing. So it was a good fusion of song and dance. So let's come up and have a standing ovation for all the performers here. So please, put your hands, all of them. Thank you very much. Really, I'm overwhelmed by your performance. Whatever you have performed, very short movement, very short time. Really, it is encouraging and it will go a long way. Not only with the AI, Airport Authority of India, but in your personal life as well. Thank you very much, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words and blessings. We will. So, So we request you to please come up once again for a photo. I think they have not taken a clicked a photo. So, Indy sir, please. Ravindranath sir, all, yeah, Vishnu sir, please come. Nirmala madam, please come. Don't wait for the calling. Please. I hope I am not left out.
Secondly, this is an opportunity which I don't want to lose here to say thanks from my bottom of my heart to Mr. Sunil. And please, ladies and gentlemen, have a round of applause for him. He has dedicated a lot of things, and the way he has composed the music and the fusion dancing and all, it really is like great. And once again, I thank Sunil for his efforts. And I will not say anything for Bensi, but because I was expecting this thing from her. So, but nevertheless, you people shouldn't be miser enough to have a good round of clap for her, even Bensi. So, all ladies and gentlemen, please come up. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, next we are going to have some sports for the kid, and I don't know what Mr. Maheshwar has planned out, maybe for the ladies and all. So be here with us before, and at the last he has given mini lunch as well. So that is the bonus. So just remain with us and enjoy that mini one. Last one will be sometime later. We will see.
Before we end this program, we have one or two programs also. Our Kaushik is also getting ready with the keyboard. He's ready with a small Western classical performance on the keyboard. And maybe if time is there. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank each one of you for having come here and encouraged us so much. I would like to thank GMCIC and his family. His son is also here. Thank you very much for coming, taking out your time. Indy sir, I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and especially Ravindranath sir, you have done a wonderful job. Thank you for arranging the Kalyanamaya room, which was in a very shabby position. And all the civil works you see, it's repainted and everything, and it's given a very beautiful effect to our. Thank you all for all the works. I would like to thank all the workers, Kantaraj, Ramesh, and Vinod. Great help for arranging all these units here. We needed electrical connection. I thank the electrical section, Narendra sir and everybody. Finance and our DGM sir also has come with the family, Shrimati. Everybody, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And the security personnel who have done a wonderful job for the flag hoisting. I hope, and of course, our Welfare Association, Residential Welfare Association committee members, Maheshwaran, Narendra sir, all, I thank you very much for making all these arrangements. And this is a very wonderful Rangoli. We see this. This was done from early morning 5:30 onwards by Mrs. Nirmala and Mrs. Mohana and Kantaraj. I just joined a little bit. Thank you so much for taking the pain. Every year they have been doing this for this flag post. I hope I have not left out anybody, all the participants and their... Thank you all once again, and I hope to see you and your family perform all years in all the functions. Thank you all. If at all I have left...
On my behalf, I sincerely thank each and everybody from the bottom of my heart that all have contributed for the terrific and tremendous job. Really, I appreciate it.
Yes, I have left out one person, my husband and his team, Mr. Jose. He just went out. Thank you so much. So next we have a performance by Kaushik. He is the son of Petti Srinivas, JGM CNS, Gagan.
Sony. Sony. Mainly video. Mainly video के लिए है, but photo भी ले सकते हैं. Live. हाँ live. हाँ.
Thank you, Kaushik.
Thank you. Actually, this song is a Western classical music, and it was inspired by seeing the nature and all the stuff. And it was composed by Ludwig Inminadi. And thank you. And this is my favorite song.
Thank you. It's not so easy to play the Western classical on the keyboard or guitar or whatever instruments. And Kaushik has learned it by himself. So bigger round of applause, please. Thank you. Next, you will listen to a fast number, a Hindi old favorite film from the movie हम किसी से कम नहीं.
Everybody, ready? 1, 2. वाह बचना है हसीलो लो में आ गया बचना है हसीलो लो में आ गया हुस्न का आशिक हुस्न का दुश्मन अपनी अदा है यारों से जुदा बचना है हसीलो लो में आ गया बचना ए हसीलो लो में आ गया हुस्न का आशिक हुस्न का दुश्मन अपनी अदा है यारों से जुदा बचना ए हसीलो लो में आ गया दुनिया में नहीं है आज मेरा बचना ए हसीनों लो में आ गया ला ला लबों पे करते ही गुलामी वो कोई पर्दा हो या बादशाह आज तो सभी है मुझ पे फिदा बचना है हसीनो लो में आ गया थैंक यू वेरी मच
It's come back. It's here, Yes. Oh. Nice one. Nice throw. Nice try. Come on, Nani. Come on, Bharat, imagine you're playing cricket. Throw the ball straight. Is it that tough? Or is it something? Oof, F in the chat.
Hey, you have to be very fast now.
You're also participating.
Yes. That ball.
Alia, I also have same learning in mind. Why not to participate?
अरे हाँ वसा सर होते सर अरे नहीं फिर धीरज ఫస్ట్ ఫుల్ లెంత్
Come on, Param.
ఏమా చేత
Yes. Oh.
సార్ సార్
Subbu uncle. Subbu uncle.
బ్రౌన్ సార్
Ball.
బ్యాట్ పట్టుకుని నిలబడి చేస్తున్నాం డస్ట్బిన్ దగ్గరనే వేస్తాం
Come on, Kevin.